Good morning, children. 8th standard. How are you? Today I am going to take geography 5th lesson, unit 5, that is hazards. Understand? In this lesson, it is the classroom atmosphere. That in the class, the teacher, she is entering the class and she is taking the attendance. All the students, they said the attendance, answer the attendance, present, like that they said. And she asked Shruti, she called the name Shruti, and she was absent on that day. So she asked about that, why she was absent. So the students, they said that she was hurt by a branch of a tree that yesterday, that because of the flood, that is heavy rain, she was hurt by a branch of a tree and she got injured, she said. For that, the teacher, she advised that the children should be very careful while they are going on the road, and they should have the awareness of the hazards. So the teacher used the word hazards. So one of the student, they asked that, what is hazard? What is meant by hazard? Kamalesh, he asked. Understand? Miss, what is meant by hazard? You just explain about hazard, that Kamalesh, he asked. For that, the teacher, she started to explain that hazards means it is an disaster. Understand? Disaster, like anything, it gives much damages to life and property. Many hazards are there, like earthquake, volcano, landslide, then flood, drought, okay, tsunami. All these are called as hazards, she explained. And this we are in the 21st century, that we have to know about this hazard, and the children and the people, the parents should have the awareness about this hazards. Understand? And she explained about that, and it is very important to know about the hazard. So the teacher said, today we are going to see the lesson hazard only, and I'll explain you, like that. She started the lesson. Understand? So she explained that hazards are defined, that is a thing or a person, event or factor that possesses that is a threat to people, structure or economic assets, and which it causes a disaster. It is called as hazards. The teacher, she explained. And the word hazard, it was derived from the French word, French meaning, that is the game of dice. Understand? Hazard. Actually, in the hazard அப்படின்ற word, எந்த வேர்ட்லேருந்து வந்துதா? It came from the French word, that is hazard, meaning a game of a die. Understand? Hazard, that meaning. Okay, and she explained, the teacher, she explained that there are various types of hazards are there. Now I am going to explain about that, like that she explained. So we'll see about the types of hazards. What are the types of hazards? We'll see now. Here, there are hazards are classified into different ways. Understand? Based on their causes of occurrence and based on their origin. So there are important two types, that is based on the occurrence, and another one is based on the origin which it was started. Okay, first one we'll see, based on the causes of occurrence. Based on the causes of occurrence. This is one of the type. This is the first type. So hazards can be broadly classified into three types. They are, one is natural, and the second one is human made, that is man made, we can say human made, and the third one is socio-natural hazards. Third one is socio-natural. So these are the three types of hazards. Understand? One by one we'll see now. In this natural hazards, these are the results of the natural process. Understand? Naturally they will happen. The main example of this natural hazards are earthquake, we can say, adella naturally nadakkuradhu. Understand? And earthquake, floods, cyclone. You just say floods, cyclone. வேற என்ன சொல்லலாம்? Storms, drought and landslide. இதெல்லாம் வந்து landslide, tsunami, volcano. Tsunami, volcano, etc. These are all called as natural hazards. Understand? Next one, man-made, human-made hazard. What are called as human-made hazard? அப்படின்னு நம்ம பார்த்தோன்னா they are the undesirable activities of human. Understand? It can be the result of an accident, we can say accident. Then industrial chemical leak or oil spilled. Industrial chemical and international or intentional act. These are happened by human activity. The undesirable, this is very important, undesirable human activity is called as human-made hazards. Okay, and இதில் வேறு என்னெல்லாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தானா they are explosion, then hazardous waste, pollution of air, water and land, dam failures, wars or civil conflicts and terrorism. All these, the undesirable human activity, they are called as human-made and hazards. And the third one is socio-natural hazards. It is caused by the combined effect of natural as well as human. Understand? And this frequency and intensity of floods and drought. Flood, நிறைய தண்ணி வந்துருச்சு, வெள்ளம் வந்தாலும் மக்களுக்கு கஷ்டம், தண்ணியே கிடைக்கல, தண்ணி பஞ்சம் வந்தா அது தட் இஸ் drought. இது வந்தாலும் பீப்புளுக்கு கஷ்டம். அதே மாதிரி the landslide, it is caused because of the natural forces and also the construction of roads and houses, the building of the roads and houses. ஹியூமன் அவங்க தானே இந்த ரோடெல்லாம் போடுறாங்க, அதனாலேயும் the landslide they are occurring. And the next one is storm. Understand? Storm, it is a very dangerous hazard. Okay, worsened by the destruction of the mangroves. Then next one is smog. Smog is also a very dangerous hazard. Understand? Serious problem in the urban area. And another thing is the emission from the vehicle. வண்டிங்கள்லேருந்துலாம் புகை வருதில்ல, the emission. Understand? The gas. Okay, the smoke from the vehicle, the emission from the vehicle, they are also industries and combustion of wood, coal together. These are all called as social and natural hazard. What are they? They are the floods, then drought, landslide, that is together storm, smog, all etc. All together they are called as socio-natural hazards. The next one, based on the origin, we can say. This is the first one. Second category is based on their origin. This is the second type. Hazards can be grouped into 8 categories. Understand? One by one we'll see. First one is atmosphere. Atmosphere hazards. Then geologic, seismic. Geologic. We can say it as geologic or seismic hazard. Third one is hydrologic hazard. Hydrologic hazard. Okay, then fourth one is volcanic hazard. Volcanic hazard. And fifth one is environmental hazard. And sixth one is biological hazard. Seventh one is technological hazard. And last one, eighth one is human induced hazard. Human induced hazard. So these are the 8 types of hazard we can see based on their origin. Based on the origin, there are 8 types. One by one we'll see. Atmosphere hazards. What is meant by atmosphere hazards? That is the tropical storms, thunderstorms, lightning, tornadoes, then avalanches, heat waves, fog and forest fire. These are all the categories of atmosphere hazards. Understand? These are all the types of atmosphere hazards. And the second one is geologic or seismic hazard. What we can say? The earthquake. What are the types? Earthquake, tsunami, landslide and land subsidence. These are all called as geologic. And the உலகத்துல நடக்கிறது. Understand? So it is about the seismic. We can say seismic hazard. Then third one is hydrology. Hydrology அப்படினாலே என்ன? Water. Okay? Hydrology சொன்னாலே உங்களுக்கு தெரியணும். Atmosphere சொன்னா that is air. Lithosphere that is land. Understand? Then hydrosphere that is water. So floods, drought. Okay, then coastal erosion, then storm surges, these are all called as hydrological hazards. Fourth one is volcanic hazard. Volcano, that you all know, like Erimalai solrolla, the volcanic eruption and the lavas, it flows out from the volcanoes. So it is an volcanic hazard. And the fifth one is environmental hazard. Environment, the surroundings. Understand? The pollution of soil, air, water, desertification, global warming and deforestation. They are all called as environmental hazard. Then sixth one is biological hazard. This biological hazard example is chicken pox. Understand? மக்களுக்கு வரக்கூடிய biology. Biology na about the human living organism. Understand? So the chicken pox, smallpox, HIV, that is AIDS in சொல்றோம், and killer bees. So these are all biological hazard. Then technological hazard. Technological hazard is what? Technology la varadu. That is hazardous material incidents like fires, infrastructure failures, the bridges idinju viழுறது, then tunnels, dams உடையிறது, then nuclear வெடிச்சு செதறதல்ல அதெல்லாம் சொல்கிறது என்னது technological hazard. And the last one is human induced hazard, that is called as terrorism. மக்களால் நடக்கக்கூடியது தீவிரவாதம், பாம் எல்லாம் போடுறாங்கல்ல, மக்கள் ஒருத்தரோட ஒருத்தர் சண்டை போட்டுக்கிறாங்க இல்லை, அதான் டெரரிசம். ஸோ டெரரிசம், பாம் பிளாஸ்ட், வார் நடத்துறதுனால, தென் டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட்டேஷன் ஆக்சிடென்ட்ஸ். இப்போல்லாம் எவ்வளோ நவடேஸ் மச் ஆக்சிடென்ட்ஸ் ஆர் ஹேப்பனிங். ரோடில் நம்ம நல்லா தான் நடந்துட்டு போவோம், ஆனால் நம்மளை தேடிட்டு யாருன்னா வந்து நம்மளை இடிச்சு விட்டு போவாங்க. கீழே விழுந்தவொடனே மண்டையில் அடிபட்டு எத்தனையோ பேர் செத்து போய்ட்றாங்க இல்லை. ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் மச் ஆக்சிடென்ட்ஸ். இட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ ஒன் ஆஃப் த காஸ், understand, one of the types of hazard. And the civil disorder. Okay, so these are all the human induced hazard. So children, the various types of hazards are the types that are very important, that is based on their causes and occurrence and based on their origin. Based on their causes and occurrence are natural, human made hazard, socio-natural hazard. And based on their origin, we can say it as atmosphere hazards, geological or seismic, hydrological hazard, volcanic hazard, environmental hazard, then biological hazard, technological hazard, and the human induced hazard. Okay, then now we'll see about the major hazards in India. In India, what are the hazards we found in India? We'll see that. Have you all understand? Shall I rub the board, clean this? Okay. Whatever we are writing it on the board, you just copy it, children. Then only while you are reading the books, it will be easy for you to understand. Board la ennalla eludhuromo, you copy in your classwork notebook. Okay. Now we are going to see what are all the major hazards we can see happening in India. Then major hazards in India, we'll see that. Okay, here first one is earthquake, that you all know. Earthquake is a violent tremor in the earth's crust, sending out a series of shock waves in all directions from the place of its origin. Understand, earthquake என்றது என்னது? பூமி அதிர்ச்சி. நிறைய இடத்துல நடந்திருக்கு. அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட், நம்ம அப்படியே உட்காந்துட்டே இருப்போம், அப்படியே ஒரு ஷேக் ஆகும் இல்லை, earth அப்படியே ஷேக் ஆகுறது, தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் earthquake. ஸோ ஷேக் ஆகிட்டு எவ்வளோ பெரிய அளவில் earthquake வந்ததுன்னா அந்த பில்டிங்ஸ் எல்லாமே என்ன ஆகிடும், பூமி அப்படியே ரெண்டாக பொழந்து பில்டிங்ஸ் எல்லாம் பூமிக்கு அடியில் போய் பதிஞ்சிரும். It is the shaking of the earth. Tremendous shaking of the earth is called as earthquake. Our country, the earthquake occurred in the past and tectonic setup. Here, the country, we have 4 zones, seismic zones. Nama country le, they are zone 2, zone 3. Earthquake le, what are this? Zone 2 we have, then zone 3 we have, and zone 4 and zone 5. இந்த சீஸ்மிக் அந்த earthquake எல்லாம் இருக்குது. ஜோன் 1 நம்ம கண்ட்ரியில் இல்லை, ஏன்னா ஜோன் 1ன்றது மச் டிசாஸ்டர், கிரேட் லெவலில் நடக்கிறது. அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட், அதான் ஜோன் 1. அந்த அளவுக்கு நம்ம இந்தியாவில் இல்லை. ஓகே, ஜோன் 2லேருந்து தான் நம்ம இந்தியாவில் இருக்குது. தெர் ஆர் our country, it is having only 4 seismic zones. இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, it is in page number 124. You can see the tabular column. What are the places? here seismic zone and level of risk, then regions. Understand, they gave here. So zone 5 it is very high, zone 4 high, zone 3 moderate, zone 2 that is low, and zone 1 is very low. And the very low நம்மளுக்கு இல்லை, இந்த மற்ற எல்லாமே we have in our area. Very high எங்கெங்கன்னா ஹிமாச்சல் பிரதேஷ், காஷ்மீர், உத்தரகண்ட், ரான் ஆஃப் கட்ச், குஜராத்லலாம் நிறைய நடந்திருக்கு. ஒரு 3 years பேக்கில் கூட குஜராத் it was affected by this earthquake. Understand? Then second one we'll see about the floods. Do you know about floods, children? Vellam. Flood is an event which a part of Earth's surface gets inundated. That is heavy rainfall and large waves in seas are the common causes for the floods. Understand? The major causes of floods are 3 factors are very important, or 3 factors. They are meteorological factors. 3 factors we can say. Meteorological factors, and second one physical factors, and the third one is human factors. Meteorological factors, physical factors, and human factors. Understand? Meteorological factors. What are the meteorological factors? Heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall we can say. Then tropical cyclones. Tropical cyclone. And the third one is cloud burst. Cloud burst. And physical factors are large catchment area, and inadequate drainage arrangement. Inadequate drainage. And what are the human? We'll see. Human factors, they are deforestation, and the second one siltation, third one faulty agricultural practice, agricultural practice, and the fourth one faulty irrigation system, and collapse of dams, and next one accelerated urbanization, that is heavy. Understand? Urbanization. So these are the human factors. Understand, children? So the major hazards நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம்? first earthquakes, then second one floods. There are 3 categories: meteorological factor, physical factor, and human factor. In meteorological factor, heavy rainfall, tropical cyclone, and cloud. Physical factor la large catchment area, inadequate drainage system. And these are the human factor la deforestation, siltation, then faulty agricultural, then faulty irrigation facility, collapse of dams, and heavy urbanization. Okay, children? In the next class we'll see about the next thing, and especially the areas, the Gangetic Plain, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh. These places are flood prone areas, and the coastal Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Ingala, Gujarat, ella coastal areas here we have the flood prone areas. Okay, In the next class, we'll see about the next hazards. Okay, children, thank you. Bye.